Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So we have to take a thread and the needle. Now you have to sew it like this. So you can fix it like this and make a triangle like shape. So now you can fix the threads by putting it one by one. So you can see how we are putting the threads around the needle on the top and making the triangle like shape and make one more little triangle in the between. Draw the line. So here we are making a kitty face over the sleeves like this and it's done. So next we have to take a thread and then cover this torn part like this. So first draw the lines and then put the threads one by one and put it like this. Now after that we have to put the threads as shown in the video and cover it like this, and look how beautiful it got covered and your leaf is looking so beautiful. Next we have to take a cloth, and if you see it turned like this, we have to fold it, or just we have to decrease the length of the jeans or any pant of your accessories. So we have to take a thread in the middle, put it like this, and then you have to pull it out from the other side and then roll the thread around the needle, and then we have to fix it like this. So you can see how we are doing it. So we are kind of making a chain stitch over the pants like this. So you can see at the end we'll be removing the stitch from the between and the stitches will go inside and we'll get a beautiful clear look from the outside. So you can see we are covering the pants by putting the needles and the threads around it. So you can see at the end we have made the chain stitch. Now we have to put the threads and stretch it like this out of from the between, and the stitches will go inside and it's done. Next we'll be covering this torn jeans or the torn clothes. So you can see how we are putting the simple stitches called running stitches like this over the jeans. Now after that we have to put the threads in the between and then we have to cover it like this. So you can see how we are putting the threads and the needle in the between and covering the stitches like this. So we can see we have to cover it and make a L-like shape after making the pattern like this. So you can also do these stitches over any clothes to make it look more beautiful. It will give a beautiful thread work on the clothes to decorate it. So you can see how we are doing it and putting the threads over the stitches, and your stitch is done. I hope you liked it. It's almost complete. You can further add some more decoratives over it to decorate it. Next we have to take a thread and the needle like this. Now we have to put it over the collar like this. So you can see we are putting these stitches one by one over the t-shirts on the top. So you can see how we are doing it. So put it like this. Put these stitches in the line one by one as shown in the video, and then we have to cover it like this. So you can see how we are doing it, and at the end we'll be stretching the thread so that it gets covered and the sides get a little shorter. So you can try these with your two loose t-shirts. So you can see how we are covering it and then putting the stitches. Stretch the threads tightly from one end after doing this. So you can see we have to close it and look, it's done. Thanks for watching a video.